Okay, today we shall learn the poem Blow, Blow Thou Winter Wind by William Shakespeare. This poem was written by William Shakespeare, a great English poet and a playwright. This poem is a lyrical poem about life and foolishness. It was first published in 1623 in the famous play Cl.Xll. The poem speaks about the negative attribute of human being. It also presents a stark comparison of human nature with a harsh winter wind alone with bitter realities of human life. So this is a brief introduction about the poem Blow, Blow Thou Winter Wind by William Shakespeare. Now, before I go into the poem, I would like to tell you that in this poem, the poet personifies. Personifies means the meaning of personification is personified means personification is to give human qualities to inanimate objects, to non-living objects. It gives the quality of a human life that is known as personification. So in this poem, William Shakespeare personifies the winter wind, and now he also compares the winter wind, the bitter winter wind, with a human ingratitude. So here we see the poem. I will read to you and explain to you stanza-wise. Blow, blow, thou winter wind, thou art not so unkind as man's ingratitude. Here the poet welcomes the winter wind to keep on blowing. Why? Because compared to humans' ingratitude, the bite of the winter wind is not so unkind. Thy tooth is not so keen, because thou art not sane, although thy breath be rude. Here the poet says, the bite of the winter wind is not so painful because it is not seen. It is felt only on the outer skin, and it does not pierce through the hearts of men. Therefore, it is bearable as compared to man's ingratitude. Hi-ho, sing hi-ho unto the green holly. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere fully. Here, hi-ho is an expression of disappointment or boredom. Hi-ho is an expression. Here the poet expresses out his disappointment, and he keeps on inviting the winter wind to keep on blowing. Why? Because most friendship is feigning. Feigning means it's a pretension or pretending. Most of the friendship of men, most of the friends that he come across is pretension or pretending. Therefore, he prefers to be with the nature, he prefers to be with the winter wind, and therefore he invites the winter wind to keep on blowing, because most friendship is feigning and most loving. The love that we show for one another is folly. Folly means it's a foolishness. It's a kind of foolishness that does not exist. A reality with men. Then coming down to the second stanza, then hi-ho, the holy, this life is most jolly. Then he also expressed, saying, he welcomes the winter wind to keep on blowing, and he says, this life is most jolly. Here, this life is compared to the forest life, a natural life or a nature's life. Freeze, freeze, thou bitter sky, that thou'st not bide so night, as benefits forgotten. Here, the poet says, the poet invites the winter wind to keep on blowing and to freeze everything that is here on nature. Why? Because that is not so painful as compared to the benefits forgotten by his friends. The deeds that he has done for his fellow friends is being forgotten. Therefore, that is much more painful for the poet, and he welcomes the winter wind to freeze everything, whatever is here on nature. Thy sting is not so sharp, as friends remembered not. See, as compared to the unfaithful friend, the poet says, the sting of a winter wind is not so painful, which is not very sharp. Coming down to the last stanza, hi-ho, sing hi-ho unto the green holly. He also expresses out of an expression of disappointment. Most friendship is feigning, most loving mere folly. Then hi-ho, the holly, this life is most jolly. Holly, here holly is the evergreen plant. He invites the winter wind to keep on blowing on all the evergreen plants, because as compared to humans' ingratitude, most friendships are just a pretension, most loving is just only a foolishness. Then therefore, the poet William Shakespeare says that the most enjoyable life here on earth is the life of nature, the life with the evergreen forest, that he enjoys better than to be among the friends who really gives a pretentious friendship or give a pretentious love. So this is a comparison of ingratitude of a man with the winter wind, and the poet prefers the winter wind than a pretentious friendship. So this is the poem Blow, Blow, Thou Winter Wind.